This is a bagless Hoover wind tunnel, whole house rewind. And I've already cleared most of the problem. It had a clog in it about right here because they had used one of those cloth or semi-cloth coverings that you would use on something like that. And they put it over the cyclone in here, so it caused a clog, it restricted airflow, and well, I don't know exactly why they did that. Maybe they were trying to stop the cyclone from getting dirty or something, who knows. Anyways, so I took that off, turned it on, and then I was using this to do some cleaning. That's when I noticed it was all clogged up, so I just sucked it all out. All came out, whole bunch of stuff. Then I emptied the dirt cup. But we still do have one other small issue with this thing, and that is the brush roll does not want to turn, regardless if that's on or off. So we're going to tip this over, pull that off, see what's going on. I can already hear some stuff in there, and I can see a screw that's kind of got lodged. There's our offending problem. So, looks like the belt is in need of replacement. So what happened was they ran over that screw, they jammed the brush, which jammed the belt. Actually, we've got another screw in there too. I'm just going to cut that off. So I don't think I have a new belt like this on hand, but I do have another Hoover belt, which isn't the right one. It's a stretch belt, but just for testing, we'll use that. The motor shaft is really rusty. If we were to go and put a new belt on this, it would just heat the belt up and eventually burn it off. So we're going to clean that motor shaft. So you can get one of these from Harbor Freight. It comes in a set. This is a welder's stone or marking stone, whatever you want to call it. We're going to turn the machine on and just clean all that stuff off of it. You want to be really careful if you do this. It's can be dangerous. And you can kind of see it makes a little bit of a mess. Alright, so to reinstall one of these, all you got to do is just get the new belt. I didn't check the brush roll, but that spins really nicely, so we're okay. So I like to start these on the shaft first. In fact, Do it just like that. I don't know if for testing I'll be able to use the clutch, but we'll see. Yeah, it'll allow us to use the brush roll, see how it works, but it needs to have that correct belt put on it. But like I said, just for testing, I think we'll be okay. So just to reinstall this, and then we'll test it out on the rug. All right, let's try this. Gonna have to adjust the floor selector probably. So it works fine now. I definitely need to put the correct belt on there, but it's no big deal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. It's pretty quick.